What's up, guys? It's Motocross and Forever here, and today I'm going to be doing a bike check for you. It's rainy outside, so I really can't do this outside. That's why I'm in my basement, and you'll have to excuse my basement. It's a little dirty right now. But starting from the top, I have ODI long neck grips with the flanges cut off, but I cut them off wrong. I should have cut them off like right here, but I'll fix that in a little bit. I have Odyssey par ends. Yeah, they're par ends, not bar ends. Well, they're bar ends, but they're called the par ends. I have S&M Slam XLT bars, and I don't really know the specs on them, but I do know that they're pretty wide. I mean, I like them a lot, though. I have a Shadow Alfred front load stem. It was red, but it was stripped and polished to be a chrome. I like it though, looks great. And then coming down to my fork, I have an Odyssey Director S2 fork. Really strong fork. It's a great fork. It's got some scratches on it, yeah, but it's a great fork. Like a lot. My front wheel is a Renolite, something like that. I don't really know how to pronounce it. With a stolen roulette hub. It was laced with Primo alloy spokes. Great spokes, I like them. I've got two spacers in there because I'm 6 foot and I like my bike nice and tall. I have a kink when it focuses here. Kink integrated headset, but they forgot the T when they were printing it, and no, it was not painted over or anything. It's honestly not carved in there. It's pretty cool. I like it. It's one of a kind. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's like my frame, my cranks, my front rim, my fork, and my bars, and all were all professionally painted by a body shop. And then of course this was stripped and polished, my stem was. But coming down to my frame, I have a Fit vh1 20-inch top tube frame. I like it. It's a great frame. Really strong. Coming down to my cranks, I have Shadow Torrid V2 cranks. I don't know if you guys will be able to see this or not. Probably not, but right there is a Shadow logo. Right there. You can't really see it that well, but it's there. I promise you guys. I have a 25 tooth Shadow Crank and Bones sprocket. Great sprocket, really strong. Love it. My chain is a Shadow Interlock V2. I love that chain. Never had a problem with it. Super strong chain. I guess coming up to my seat, I've got a kink seat post clamp with a kink pivotal seat post and a kink pivotal seat. It's padded. It's kind of squishy. It's nice. It's comfy though for when I do sit down for cruising and stuff. Oh, by the way, my front tire is a Fit FAF folding. Not exactly sure how wide it is. I forget, but kind of wide. I like it wide though. My pedals are just some crappy Black Label pedals, but picked them up at my local bike shop because I had metal pedals on it and they were horrible. But back here I got a hang on here. Let me spin this without trying to make my bike fall. Spin this back around there for you. Got an Alienation Delinquent back rim with Primo alloy spokes again, laced to a KHE free coaster. I don't know if you guys will be able to see this or not. I like it though. I mean, I'm not really used to a free coaster, but it's good. Just got some little blue cap on there. My back tire is a Revenge Industries Fatty. Pretty good tire. I mean, it's alright. It's more of like a slick style, and it's good for street, but that's about it. But there you go, guys. That's my bike. I'll back up so you guys can get a full shot of it. Let me turn my bars back, though.